Today, I'm going to show you something absolutely insane. The cinematic videos you just watched in this ad were generated with only one click using one of the most trending AI supercomputer tools right now. This platform is becoming extremely popular because of its powerful AI capabilities. Using this single tool, I created high-quality arcades, professional broadcasting-style clips, and even ultra-cinematic movie scenes without needing expensive software or a production team. First of all, let me take you to YouTube and show you something very interesting. There's a channel called Nova AI Films. This channel currently has around 42.5k subscribers. This channel is earned per month 16.5k. Oh my god, viewers, this is amazing and huge amount okay now, which is honestly an amazing achievement for an AI-focused content channel. The most interesting thing is their niche. Already crossed millions of views, while several others are sitting in the hundreds of thousands. This proves one thing very clearly. Cinematic AI storytelling, especially in the zombie niche, is exploding right now. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create similar cinematic zombie movies completely with AI tools. But that's not all. Let me also show you another powerful side of AI contenters or creators to make promotional videos. But now, with AI, you can generate realistic arcades from your home in just one click. Whether you want realistic influencer ads, cartoon-style videos, cinematic commercials, or broadcasting clips, everything can now be done with AI. And today's main focus is one of the most powerful tools making this possible: Higgsfield Supercomputer. So let's open the Higgsfield website. Viewers, Higgsfield is honestly becoming one of the best AI platforms available right now because they constantly release new and trending tools almost every single day. Their innovation speed is unbelievable. If we look at their image section, you'll notice they have launched many advanced AI image generation tools. Then when we move to the video section, there are already tons of powerful video AI models available there as well. This is exactly why Higgsfield is rapidly becoming one of the top AI platforms in the industry, because they are continuously improving their tools in image generation, video creation, and even audio production. Now, let's talk about the most exciting part: the supercomputer tool. Recently, Higgsfield launched their latest Gemini-powered architecture inside the supercomputer system, and the performance is honestly next level. The generation quality, prompt understanding, cinematic realism, and automation workflow are all extremely impressive. But before we begin using it, let me explain one very important feature called Memories and Skills. This feature allows you to connect multiple powerful AI systems directly into the supercomputer environment. Inside the ecosystem, you can access integrations like Claude, Claude Code, ChatGPT, Codex, OpenClaw, and Hermes agents. All of these systems work together to improve the generation quality and automate complex tasks inside the supercomputer workflow. And honestly, viewers, this is what makes the supercomputer so powerful. All right, viewers, now let's jump back into the supercomputer and start working on our main tasks, because this is where the real magic begins. First of all, I want to show you one of the latest features they recently launched called Orchestrator Gemini. This model is currently available in beta version, and honestly, the quality is absolutely incredible. Along with this, there are many other advanced AI models available inside the supercomputer system as well. The best part is that Higgsfield keeps updating and adding new tools continuously, which is why this platform is becoming more powerful day by day. So first of all, let's start with Personal Clipper. Inside this section, you can see options like Cut My Long Interview. This feature is extremely useful if you have a long podcast, interview, live stream, or any long-form content and you want to automatically extract viral short clips from it. So what I did was very simple. I already copied a podcast link from YouTube and pasted it directly into the tool. After that, I clicked on the Generate option. Now viewers, let me explain what happens next. The AI immediately starts analyzing the entire podcast video. It intelligently scans the content, identifies the most important moments, and automatically extracts the best highlights from the video. Then, it converts those highlights into ready-to-upload short clips. The most amazing thing is that the AI itself decides which moments are most engaging and viral worthy. Right now, you can see that my generation process has already started. Usually this takes around 15 to 20 minutes depending on the video length, and after that, it automatically gives you 5 complete short clips ready for upload. Now, instead of waiting for the clipping process to finish, let me show you another amazing tool inside the supercomputer. I'm going to move into the Build with Skills section, and here you can see an option called Create a Marketing Video using UGC Flow. This feature is honestly one of the most trending AI workflows right now because ads are dominating social media marketing. I already prepared a prompt for my ad, so I simply pasted the prompt here and clicked on the Enter option. And viewers, as you can already see, my ad generation has officially started. The AI is now asking me for the video duration, so I selected a 15-second ad format. First, the system starts by generating influencer-style images. Basically, the AI decides what kind of creator or influencer should appear in the ad. After a few moments, it generates multiple realistic poses and image variations using GPT image generation tools. And honestly, the image quality looks extremely realistic and professional. After generating all the images, the next step begins, converting those images into a full cinematic video. The system asked me how many seconds I wanted, so I selected a 10-second duration and clicked on Seedance 2.0 for video animation. And now, viewers, you can see that the production process has fully started. The AI is now transforming static images into a realistic moving advertisement. First it generated the images, and now it is converting them into a complete video automatically. After waiting just a little while, boom. Oh my god, viewers, my complete ad is now fully ready, and honestly, the result looks unbelievable. This is exactly why AI-generated ads are becoming so powerful. I literally clicked only one option, and the entire ad was created automatically within minutes. Now let's go back to the first project I showed you earlier, the long podcast clipping tool. And viewers, as you can see right now, the AI has successfully completed the task. The 2-hour-plus podcast video has now been converted into 5 separate short clips automatically. I only pasted the YouTube link, and the AI handled everything else by itself. It analyzed the podcast, identified the best moments, extracted them, edited them, and separated them into 5 individual clips. And honestly, this feature alone can save creators hours and hours of manual editing work. Now let's move toward the next and final tool, Short Cinema. So I simply copied the prompt, pasted it into the generator, and clicked on the Generate option. Now viewers, this tool is about to create a complete 30-second cinematic movie scene automatically. The AI immediately starts generating all the scenes one by one. At this stage, the AI is creating realistic environments, dramatic camera shots, cinematic lighting, character movement, and full movie-style sequences automatically. All you need to do is wait for a little while. And then, boom. Oh my god, viewers, the complete zombie cinematic generation is now fully ready. And honestly, the quality looks absolutely insane. The scenes feel like they belong inside a real Hollywood-style zombie movie. So viewers, today I showed you how powerful the Higgsfield supercomputer really is. First, I showed you how to convert a long podcast or interview into 5 separate viral short clips automatically. Then I showed you how to generate highly realistic ads with just one click. And finally, I showed you how to create cinematic zombie-style AI movies using the short cinema workflow. This honestly proves that the supercomputer tool inside Higgsfield is extremely powerful, fast, and futuristic. And if we talk about pricing, you can easily upgrade your account using plans like Plus, Ultra, or Business, depending on your needs. These plans also provide supercomputer credits, which allow you to generate even more high-quality AI content without limitations. I'll meet you in the next video with another exciting AI idea. Until then, goodbye.